As the weather cools off, Abby and I have new favorite styles of RC, and it's always crawlers. They take over. Bashers tend to break, airplanes just hurt the fingers too much, and so today we're going to take a look at two brand new little small scale crawlers that I'm very excited about. This is the 6-wheel drive Chevy Apache. It just looks amazing and I'm excited to see how it performs, but the scale detail of this is very much scale model worthy. This is, if I've ever seen one, a shelf queen, but we're gonna run it in a very cool, fun way today. We have a new toy to play with. We have a very cool Power Wagon. This is we all know what that's trying to look like, but I don't think it's quite the official license, but that is a very cool Power Wagon. The smokestacks I did add, and there are a few other optional decals and accessories that you can put on the back to make the bed look a little different, but I like the way that looks with just the smokestacks added. They are pumping out some great small scale crawlers, and I'm excited to drive them. Abby and I have a little challenge for each other, so let's go. The lights look amazing on the Power Wagon, but the Chevy Apache, look at this. The running headlights, we have turn signals, which are beautiful. We have high beams and low beams. We can turn our cautions on. Here's our low beams, low running lights. There's the high beams, kicking back on like this. And look, even the tail lights, if we go in, let's see, yeah, reverse, when we kick it in reverse. Isn't that cool? Oh, this is awesome. The lights on this truck are amazing.
And there's our toy.
Yeah, we have the world's first RC catapult.
Let's see it. This looks like a truck that you would get when you were a teenager and drive it till the day you die.
It's a beautiful
As an
truck.
old man. So it's yours.
Really? You're letting me do this and you get the Power Wagon?
Yeah.
Okay, so this thing is a very cool RC crawler Teeter Totter, and it's designed for a lot of small scale RCs. We've not used it a single time yet, and I think this will do really well. They also make this for larger RCs too, but they're two different catapults. I mean, Teeter Totters. I knew the 6-wheel drive one would be able to do this just fine. This is going perfectly. Oh, this is awesome. You ready? Here's the moment of truth. Is it gonna work? Yeah! Oh. That's a little rough, but...
Oh, I didn't do the finish block far enough.
Now, it comes with a start-stop block, which is kind of cool. I mean, you can set up an entire course if you want to. What I like about this, too, is that it's weighted enough on one side that it comes back down for the next person in line on the course to hit, which is really awesome. It also came with a couple little weighted blocks. Abby, did you grab those?
No.
Okay, I think they're in the car.
Didn't tell me to.
They're weighted blocks, but they also add a little bit of grip. So we're going to drive these today over this little Teeter Totter a few times, and then we're also going to take these out on a little course and see what we can do with the vehicles. Now the turning radius of this is pretty wide, but man, it is just beautiful. It is so good looking, and the performance is there too. I was worried it wouldn't be able to grip onto the really slick wood. Let's do it though. See if we can get this a little smoother. Nope. Abby, you got to take your Power Wagon.
All right.
See if you can do it. Sometimes it's nice just to plop right down by your significant other and have a little fun with some mini crawlers. We don't have to chase the RCs. We don't have to flip them around. Yeah, it's got brakes then reverse. It has brakes then reverse. Ooh, let's go, little Decepticon. Oh, I was worried. The tires might not be able to.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, her depth perception. She's literally going to go line herself up so she can see.
Everybody's as amazing as you are.
Lucky. I'm just lucky. Can it hop those wheels up? Yes, it can. Can Abby do it? We'll see. Third time's the charm. In all fairness, your back tires aren't... The smokestack fell off?
It just popped off or broke.
Oh no.
Yeah, just...
Oh no.
I can fix it with some glue.
A little hot glue, but goodness. Decepticons, roll out. Oh, that's sad. The Decepticons are winning now.
Okay, we can do this.
All right, Abby. I like that thing too. Oh no.
By the time I get the back tires tires up. It's just.
Well, these are like tractor tires. They're not super soft. And oh, there, you got it. And oh, oh, poor little guy. Well, hot glue will fix that, no problem. But still.
And some semi trucks only have one smokestack. Right?
Yeah, that's very true.
Okay.
Now it's realistically scale.
Yeah.
Get that one more time, then let's go off-roading a little bit. I do really like these Power Wagons, and guys, they have a lot of.
Just lost it.
Oh man, I was just not functioning well today. There, you got it, nice and smooth, and good job. Good job, we did it. Well, Abby wanted to start this video birthing.
That's so gross.
What a cool spot. There's another tunnel. Oh!
That smokestack on the right just didn't stand a chance.
No. That's a very cool little ditch just for this little crawler. These Power Wagons are very cool. And guys, there are a wide variety of these now too. If you were unaware, they released 3 colors. We'll have them linked in the description box below. They're very cool. They make awesome gifts. And they came out with this guy. Also a pink version for all the girls or guys that like pink. They're 4-wheel drive. They're really cool looking. I love the little wheels. They have all kinds of scale accessories. They also just released a Trick or Treat Halloween version, so that's super cool. And to my knowledge, they had a very limited edition rusted looking one too. They were hand painted, so that's super cool. Just a lot of variety of these. What does that make, like 7? There's the 3 original, you got this one, that's 4. The pink is 5. Halloween is 6, and then the custom hand painted one. 7 different versions!
FMS like this a little too.
Like Power Wagons. I've always wanted Power Wagons. 7 different versions, so if you're a collector, get out your wallet. But they'll all be linked in the description box below. They're all super cool. I like the scale look. I think they even have some pickup bed. Oh, Abby has switched off. She switched off on me. It is slower, yeah. Well, you might be in a slow rate too. That might be a 2-speed, I can't remember. Some of these have 2 speeds. You have a light button, which is channel 4. Channel 3 is probably your transmission. I don't know. I was just guessing, I couldn't remember off the top of my head. This one looks amazing. Try not to roll. Don't roll it and get my pretty paint scratched, Abby. No. It's so good looking. I love this thing. It looks amazing. FMS has a ton of these little crawlers too, not just the Power Wagons, but they're doing a good job. They're kind of above and beyond on the scale looks. Performance is good too. They're just like, some people scoff at the price a little bit because they're so small, but it's because of the level of detail. Makes them very original. And it does up the price a little bit. They make, you know, like axial crawlers are competitively priced, maybe a little higher on performance, but these things are downright amazing when it comes to scale looks. What'd you find, a boulder, Abby? How do you get stuck? This is 6-wheel drive.
I didn't line it up good.
No, you did not. 6-wheel drive. Here, we'll get the tow hook out. Look at that boulder. I mean, there you go. You just got to get the wheels on it. What do you guys think? These are great. We'll have this guy linked in the description box below too. A lot of times they run really good sales on these. Since they released, the price was kind of high. The sales have been amazing, so hopefully we'll have a sale link there too for you. Again, they make amazing Christmas gifts. Power Wagon, what's up? These will always look good under the Christmas tree, I can tell you that. We brag all the time, Abby, about how it's almost impossible to break your crawlers compared to bashers and things. And look at that on the first run. A little dab of hot glue will fix that, but I think they sell the parts too. A little surprised how fragile that was, but it is just, it's probably like a 3D printed scale piece. I mean, it does kind of have that look. These are just amazing though. And in my opinion, if you like this Power Wagon, what I would do, is just me, I'm kind of crazy though, I'd get one of the original 3 colors to be my daily driver.
You have
and
one.
Then this, and I do. And this would be my shelf queen with the other Power Wagons, because this looks really cool. Probably add all the accessories on the back too, the framing and stuff, and not drive it with those smokestacks, knowing they're a little on the fragile side. So Abby, we've got to, we'll just fix that up. And
I have about 20 Amelia toys that need some hot glue, so
we'll
I'll
just
fix
have
it
a
then.
hot glue party tonight.
Yep.
That's what we do. We live on the wild side now that we're parents. And the Chevy Apache, my goodness, they hit it out of the park on this. It does come with the rear bumper not installed. When you get it, 2 little screws hold that on. Same with the smokestacks on this. They're not installed. When you get it, just 2 little screws hold those on. I love that the battery loads and unloads under the hood on this. The dash, the steering wheel, everything inside looks so good. Isn't
Get that.
that awesome?
Blurry, blurry, blurry. Oh, it's kind of there.
I think they nailed it though. These look really good. And they make great Christmas presents. They're fun gifts for yourself too. You work hard, you've earned it. And I think odds are we'll have a sale linked below with these. So if you click any one of those links, you do help to support our channel and our family if you appreciate family-friendly content. But you could probably save a few bucks, quite a few bucks actually right now. They're running a special, so be sure to check that out. It's always fun to get out here and enjoy the beautiful fall weather despite the cold, and just for the opportunity to share today with my wife and everyone watching, I want to thank God. Also a massive thanks to our Patreon supporters, because we couldn't do what we do as often as we do it without your amazing support. If small scale crawlers are your thing and you just didn't get enough in today's video, we'll have another awesome crawling video popping up right about now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you there.
Bye!